No one call himself as a Shia should speak in this language. The enemy every time will show you this card. I don't want you to speak about this or that because it will cause fitna. It's like we are seizing from her right to say, Ana madluma. We should speak and we have the right to speak.
The question is, what was the need for making the film when there was obvious effect of causing further fitna, division and hatred between the Sunnis and the Shias? Why would you have made such a film when obviously there will be differences and conflicts and fitna?
Well, firstly, I'm very sorry that such question comes from someone who named himself as a Shia.
Allah.
Because this is not our logic at all. Our logic is the logic used by Our Lady Fatima alayhi salatu wassalam. When she rise up against the first tyrant, Abu Bakr, he used that logic. Why you are speaking this in the khutbah fadakiyya, you can see that he said, ما هذه الرعة إلى كل قالة إنه مرب لكل فتنة. نعم. والزهراء عليها السلام ردت, she responds, ابتدارا زعمتم الفتنة ألا في الفتنة سقطوا وإن جهنم لمحيطة بالكافرين. So this word fitna, most of the tyrants and those who on dalal and inhiraf try to use this as a weapon against every in every speech of haqq. Yani. Anyone who rise up to speak the truth, what happens? They try to force him to be silent by this logic. Don't spread fitna. What is this? This is a crime, actually, to force people to not express their vision, to not express their opinion, to not express what happens in the history, to not defend يعني يدافعون عن their lady, their imams عليهم السلام. It's the rights for every human being, especially nowadays, especially in these ages. So I can't accept such thing, because this will result to kill Our Lady alayhi salam twice. It's like we are seizing from her right to say, Ana madluma, I'm oppressed. No one call himself as a Shia should speak in this language at all. Secondly, what is the fitna here? Where is the fitna? It's just to show the people what exists in the history books in both sides. Where is the fitna here? If you don't agree, or if you have another explanation about what happened, it's your right. Go and do another film. Go and criticize this film. That's yours. You're right. But to stop people from showing what exists in the history, the truth there, this is not your right. This is injustice.
Okay. The second question was regarding the film.
And by the way, if we follow this argument, if you follow it, the enemy every time will show you this card. I don't want you to speak about this or that because it will cause fitna. So you will reach that level that you can't speak even about Ashura and Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Because it's already exists that some parts of the Mukhalifin, they already refuse that and say this is causing fitna, like in Jordan, for example. Try in Jordan to speak about Madlumiyat al-Imam al-Hussein alayhi salam, or what happens to him. You will be arrested. In the name that, in Afghanistan or in maybe in some, even now in Bahrain, unfortunately. So this is a big mistake if some Shia believe in this, that we should keep ourselves silent. We should speak, and we have the right to speak. What we done in this film is something very modern. It's a worldwide language. Everyone can accept it, even if he's not agreeing with the detailed things in the film. It's his right. But even the Mukhalifin, a lot of them, they actually praise this film. يعني they أثنوا عليه يعني شنو. They praise, appreciate it. Even those from Mukhalifin, they worked in this film as well. And by the way, some of them worked without paying them, just in believing in some parts of the film that we should just voluntary in some parts, So anyone who has open-minded, anyone who has really akhlaq Islamiyya that they talking about a lot, but unfortunately they are not practicing it very well, he should be very welcome with this film. It's عمل فني يعني. It's an artistic work.